food poisoning. 2 Batty factory workers die. 24 fall sick of food poisoning in India. June 28th, 170 workers from Quang Thai Garment Company in Vietnam have come down with food poisoning and have been hospitalized. June 28th, outbreak of measles has badly affected Sitwakataya VDC in Mahatari district, Nepal. There's a mystery fever that has gripped the city of Lithuania, and with even doctors failing to pinpoint the cause or type of the illness, residents have begun panicking. June 30th, now it seems the E. coli outbreak is linked to Egypt. The game of musical virus plays on. E. coli outbreaks in Germany and France could have come from seeds sourced in Egypt. June 29th, Long Island officials warn of rapidly spreading whooping cough virus. July 1st, 267 workers suffer food poisoning in District 12, Vietnam. June 27th, trains delayed because there's too much sun on the tracks and even the pavements are melting. Britain was in meltdown today as the hottest day of the year caused chaos around the country and thousands of fans queued for Wimbledon. Weather officials issued health warnings as temperatures trumped the Caribbean, the Mediterranean, and eastern deserts and reached a heady 33 degrees Celsius. June 27th, Typhoon Miri leaves 7 dead or missing in South Korea. Strong wind and rain from a typhoon left at least 7 people dead or missing, knocked out power, and disrupted domestic flights in South Korea, officials said. June 26. Giant sinkhole swallows section of Inskip Beach Peninsula in Queensland.
It just goes down like that. All of a sudden it just went straight down. And the edge of the sand is like water falls down. That's out there. What's happening?
What do they call it?
Sinkhole.
Sinkhole.
That's it.
Yeah, that's what it is. Yeah, sinkhole.
Liquefaction and action.
What are you doing down there anyway? Yeah.
That's not slowing, that's speeding up. I'd keep back.
June 27th, Canada. Downpour leaves 18-meter sinkhole in Ottawa Highway. June 29th, flight suspended, trains delayed, and a block of flats set on fire, all because of lightning. Storm chaos as heat wave ends. Was devastated by a lightning strike. It set the roof and 2 neighboring ones ablaze and filled the upper floor with ash and rubble. Strikes also set houses on fire in Sussex, Suffolk, and Kent, with one witness describing a house in Felixstowe as erupting like a bomb going off. Lightning also hit railway signals, causing serious delays. It also hit an airport, causing a delay. June 28th. 2 horses drown and 2 die from shock after being attacked by an angry swarm of bees. It seems it's not just horses and bees that have been attacked. A swarm took exception to a men's clothing shop in March in Cambridgeshire. Hundreds of bees descended on the front of Dobson's in town centre, 3rd such attack in less than a month. It seems that Holland had a freak lightning storm on June 28th. June 29th, lightning strike kills 18 children in Uganda. A lightning strike at a primary school in western Uganda has killed 18 students and injured at least 50 others. And another 11 killed by lightning strike in Nigeria, bringing lightning kills to 30 in Africa. June 29th, underwater landslide, likely cause of mild tsunami in Devon, UK. Sailor Bob Brown said the tidal surge swept down a Yelm estuary near Plymouth at about 4 times the normal speed. A mild tsunami along the southwest coast was probably caused by an underwater landslide. The unusual tidal surge struck the Cornwall, Devon, Dorset, and Hampshire coastline on Monday morning. There were reports of rivers changing directions, fish sleeping out of the water, and hair standing on end due to static. June 29th, 4 dead, 8 missing, 10,000 residents affected in Davao City flash floods, Philippines. June 30th, Palm Beach invaded by giant 7-foot-long lizards. As residents are warned, if you see one, run. Giant lizards up to 7 feet long are invading some parts of Florida. Wildlife groups are warning residents in Palm Beach and Broward counties to run if they see a Nile monitor lizard following a sharp rise in sightings. The scary-looking predators are native to Africa and Asia, not the Sunshine State, but experts say they have been kept as pets and set free in the past. Ooh, kind of grisly-looking guys. Could we say modern-day dinosaurs? July 1st, hailstorm causes damage in Gilmer, state of Texas. June 30th, flooding reported in several Matamoros neighborhoods. July 1st, spectacular lightning storm electrifies Chicago's skyline with 1,100 strikes in a single hour. They say lightning doesn't strike twice, but Chicago residents who weathered a thunderous electric display this week would beg to differ. Powerful thunderstorms that erupted over northern Illinois produced spectacular lightning, hurricane-force gusts, golf ball-sized hail, and a weather spout over Lake Michigan. The National Weather Service says there were more than 1,100 cloud-to-ground lightning strikes in a single hour during the height of Thursday night's storm. That included dazzling strikes to Chicago's Willis Tower, North America's tallest building. July 1st, Texas declared a natural disaster area after devastating drought and wildfires continue. The entire state of Texas has been declared a natural disaster zone after suffering the worst drought in decades and a number of devastating wildfires. In all, 213 counties in Texas have lost at least 30% of their crops or pasture, while a record 236 counties have an outdoor burn ban in place as the drought continues. Here's a picture of a dry riverbed in Big Bend National Park along the banks of the Rio Grande in Texas, where it has not rained since September of 2010. A field in Lubbock, Texas features clumps of drought-hardened dirt. The U.S. Department of Agriculture has dubbed all of Texas a natural disaster. Mudslide in southeastern Bangladesh kills 50. July 2nd, France reports E. coli death. 4,000 now ill in Germany. Does it seem like the whole E. coli thing is being buried? July 1st, mystery illness kills 4, down 16 others in the Philippines. It seems the victims begin by complaining of pain and numbness in their lower extremities. Here are all the earthquakes we've had in the last 7 days that are 5 and above. It seems this week we didn't have any above 6, so that's good.